Now we will try to solve the simple problem from the centroid. So what is the problem? Find centroid of a given area. So this is a given area, we need to find the centroid of this geometry, right? Now follow these steps. We have seen the 4 steps, so follow these steps. So first step is what? We need to select the axis. Okay, so if you first we need to see whether axis is given or not. Here axis is not given, so we need to select the axis. Now how to select the axis? So your x-axis should be extreme bottom of the geometry. Okay, so this is our geometry, this is the extreme bottom of geometry, so here should be our x-axis. Okay, and where should be the y-axis? To the extreme left. So this is our extreme left of this geometry, right? So this is the y-axis. So we need to select axis such that our geometry will be in the first quadrant. And what is the reason for that? You will get the positive centroid, so there will be less confusion, right? So this is the most suitable method, that is select the axis so that your geometry will be in the first quadrant, x-axis, y-axis. So first step is completed. Okay, now what is the second step? We need to divide this part into the known shape. Okay, so we will divide this geometry into the 2 parts. That is, the first part is what? Rectangle. Okay, and second part is right angle triangle. Okay, now third method is whether this part is symmetric about any axis. No. Okay, you can see, so this is not symmetric about x-axis or not symmetric about the y-axis, so we need to find the x bar and y bar. Okay, so how to find the x bar and y bar? Okay, so the simple method to solve this is, so take this part separately. Okay, with respect to the axis, so our axis is x and y. So this is our first part. Okay, which is a rectangle, right? This is the first part. So what is the dimension? This is 10 centimeter, and height of rectangle is 70 plus this 30. Okay, so the total is 100. So this is the breadth and this is the depth, that is 100 by 10 centimeter. Okay, this is the first part. Now what is the second part? Second part is the right angle triangle. Okay, so we need to draw this separately with respect to the axis. Okay, so our right angle triangle is here. Okay, now what is this dimension? If you consider this as a height, what is the height? So here it is given 40 total and minus 10, so it is 30, right? And this base is given here, it is 30, so base is 30 centimeter. Okay, and what is the location of this point? Okay, so from here it is 10, so this dimension is 10 centimeter, and this height is given here, it is given 70. So we have drawn separately. So this is the first and this is the second. Okay, now we know how to calculate, how to find the centroid of this rectangle and how to find the centroid of this right angle triangle. So one by one we will find. So what we need to find? So we need to find x1, y1, x2, y2 and area of rectangle and area of this triangle. Okay, so that we will find. So first thing is, so we will calculate the first part, right? X1. So what is x1? So this rectangle will have the coordinate somewhere here, C. Okay, so we need to find the coordinates of this rectangle. So this is x1 and this is y1. These are the x1 and y1 are the coordinate of rectangle. So x1, how to find the x1? The formula is b by 2. and this is 10 by 2, it is 5 centimeter. Okay, then find y1. Okay, so y1 is d by 2. What is d here? 100 divided by 2, it is 50 centimeter. Alright, and then what is the area of this? It is b into d, that is 100 into 10,000 centimeters square. Okay, so this was about the first part. Now calculate for the second part. Okay, that is right angle triangle. Now here it is a right angle triangle. I will draw here. So its a base is 30 and height is also 30, and our centroid is somewhere here. We need to find this position. Okay, so this is x1 and this is y1. So what is x1 value? It is h by 3 and it is h by 3. When it is h by 3? When we are measuring from this angle, this right angle. When we measure from this, it is h by 3. But if you measure from this location, it is 2h by 3. Remember that. If you measure from here to the center location, it is h by 3, means from the right angle. Okay, so remember that. So x1. So here x1, suppose centroid is somewhere here. We need to find that location. So here it is our y1 and this is x1, right? So first we will calculate the x1. So what is this dimension total? From here to here it is 10 given. So you can see here it is 10 given. Okay, now we need to find this location, this much. Okay, so from right angle we are measuring, from this right angle we are measuring, so h by 3. So already it is 10 plus this h by 3, which is equal to 10 plus 30 by 3. So x1 we will get 10 plus 10, 20 centimeter. Okay, now y1. Now see, we are measuring y1 from this. Okay, so we are measuring y1 opposite to this right angle. Okay, we are measuring from this side, we are not measuring from this side. Okay, we are not measuring from this side, we are measuring from this location. So it is 2h by 3. Okay, so already this dimension is what? 70, and from here we need to measure. So 70 plus 2h by 3. Understood? So this is a y1. Okay, this center location from here it is 2h by 3. Already it is 70. If we are measuring from opposite of this right angle, then 2h by 3. If suppose we are measuring from here to here, then it is h by 3. Okay, so what we'll get? 70 plus 2 into 30 by 3. Okay, so we'll get 10 into 20, 90 centimeter. And what is the, so this is x2 y2. Okay, then we need to find the area of this right angle triangle, that is 1 by 2 into base is 30 and height is 30. So what we'll get? It is 450 centimeter square. Okay, so we got x1 y1 a1 x2 y2 and a2. So we need to find the x bar and y bar. X bar means centroid of this geometry, x coordinate of this geometry, y bar is y coordinates of this centroid of this geometry. Okay, now the fourth step is use the formula. Okay, what is the formula? X bar. X bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. Same way the formula is for y bar a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. Now put the values. What is a1? 1000, x1 5 centimeter plus a2 is 450 and x2 is 20 divided by 1000 plus 450. We'll get it. Then a1 1000, y1 is 50 plus a2 is 450, y2 is 90 divided by 1000 plus 450. Solve this and you will get the answer. So x bar you will get 9.65 centimeter and y bar you will get 62.41 centimeter. Okay, so this is the x coordinate of centroid, y coordinate of centroid. Now we can locate the centroid in the geometry. What is x bar? It is 9.65. Okay, so this is x. I totally here it is given 10, so somewhere here is our x bar line. Then y2 is 62.41. This is 70. 62 will be somewhere here. So this is our centroid who's having coordinates 9.65 comma 62.41. Okay, so this is how we find the coordinates of a centroid of a given geometry.